Hey G Squad, welcome back to my startup. Is it worth it? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is IR universal remote. And you see the one that we got right here is from this brand. So for the one that got right here is the mini version. They also have this available in pro version as well. So if you guys do prefer the pro one, you can get that instead. But if you guys turn around to the side, they probably got some of the specs and benefits that's on the product. And if you guys turn around to the other side, they show you guys how you guys can use it. So you can use it in Google Assistant, Alexa, and this other software as well. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like inside. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is what it looks like inside. So right here we do have the actual device. If you can see, it's actually pretty small. Since this is the mini version, so in the front we do have the indicator light. In the back we do have the outlet where you have to plug in to activate it. Right here we do have the reset button. And here is basically what the bottom part looks like. And there is a QR code that you guys want to scan later on when you guys probably want to connect it. So when you guys do use the product, you probably want to aim the remote on here, and I'll show you guys what I mean. In the very bottom, they do provide guys a little cover that you can put on the bottom. Right here, they do provide guys a quick starter guide to teach you guys how to set it up onto the app. And right here, we do have the USB to micro USB cable. So if you want to plug this in to actually charge the product and activate it. And that is basically everything that's included in the package. So first thing what I want to do is connect it onto the app first. So I'm actually download the app. So the app that you guys want to download is called BroadLink. Alright, so what I want to do is connect it onto the back, just like that. And once you guys connect it, you may see a blue light that pops on. So that means it should be on and ready to appear. So let's go to app first. So when you first download the app, you guys can follow all the different steps on there to connect it onto account. Alright, so once you guys finish downloading the app, this is what the product looks like. So first thing I'm going to do is add the device. And then once you guys click on add device, it'll find the device on here. So you guys want to click on setup now. So once you guys got connected onto the device, it'll tell you guys to connect it onto a 2.4 wireless network. So I'm actually do that first. Alright, so we're all done. So once you guys finish that step, then you guys can connect it onto your device that you want to use. So if you guys want to use it for your TV, your fan, your light bulb, or anything else that has an IR remote option, you guys can definitely do it on here. So I'm going to try to connect on something to see what actually works first. Alright, so we're going to set up a fan right here. So I do have my fan set up in the back. So basically what I want to do is click on whatever I want to add. So if I want to use the on button, it'll ask you guys whether or not you guys want to relearn. And I'll click OK. And basically what I want to do is to use the remote control to connect it. So just like this. And it found it. So basically here the fan right now is on. So if I press the button right here, the fan turns off. So it definitely does work. So you basically want to do the same thing for all the other buttons as well. So let's say for example the speed button. Alright, so that works as well. So now I can use that button to increase or lower the speed. Let me finish it for now, and then we'll test it out. So let's turn it off. That turns it off. Turn it back on. Change the different speed level on here. That works as well. So it's definitely a pretty awesome product, so that way you guys don't have to use the remote control anymore, and you can just use the app. And if you guys want to connect it onto Alexa or Google Assistant using voice control, you guys can do that as well. So what you're going to do is click right here. And you guys want to click right here, add voice assistant. And it's connect it onto whatever you guys want. So in this case, I'll use Alexa. So what I'm doing right now is link it onto the app. Alright, so we got it all linked. So what we're doing now is basically looking for the device that we do have set up, which should be under fan. So once it's connected, then we can test it out. Alright, so I found the device. So now let's test it out to see what actually works. Turn on fan.
Okay.
Turn on fan.
Okay.
So you see the product definitely does work. And the reason why they tell you to turn on twice is because it's using the same button. I believe on the app, if you guys want to use two different buttons to turn it on and off, you do have the option available. So if I want to turn off, I want to connect it onto the turn off option right here. Otherwise, you have to tell it to turn on twice. But if it's in here from the test, it definitely does work to turn on and turn off the fan. And like I mentioned, you guys can definitely use it for many other devices. So whether if you guys want to use it for your lab, if you guys want to use it for your TV or anything else, that is up to you guys. But basically it definitely does work. So if you guys think about it, this is basically like a way of making your device smart if it's not smart already. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product, now the end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to make your device smart using something like this. So that way you don't have to control it manually or even using remote control, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.